In this short take, I will show you how to use the N4V for WebI bubble chart widget. For those of you who may not be aware of our feature set, I wanted to quickly review the N4Viz solution for SAP BusinessObjects Web Intelligence. N4V widgets integrates new data visualization components and navigation features, enabling advanced dashboarding in Web Intelligence. N4V Maps allows the integration of offline and online maps and custom plans directly into Web Intelligence. N4V Analysis is a collection of powerful number crunching tables, including our premium data analyzer that brings interactive Excel-like capabilities into Web Intelligence. These analysis widgets will please your organization's most demanding data analysts. And finally, N4V Publisher is designed to distribute and update information outside of the SAP BusinessObjects platform. The bubble chart is one of over 60 widgets included in N4V for WebI. It is a widget that displays a 3-axis point diagram that displays 2 measures on the X and Y axis, with the third measure displayed on the Z axis, which is the diameter of the data point. The chart can also have up to 5 levels of drill down for analysis and can optionally be used with Web Intelligence element linking using the selection of this widget to control the filter behavior of other widgets. Using N4V for WebI is simple. I'll begin by right-clicking on the table block and choosing to turn into a custom element. I'll select the bubble chart widget from the N4V circulars category. Next, I'll resize the widget to the desired size for my dashboard. Okay, so now it's time to format the widget's extensive parameters. So I'm going to select the widget and right-click and choose Format Custom Element and Extended Parameters. And I'm going to begin at the global parameters. So I'm going to set a title for the widget. Okay, so I'm going to put in a custom blue for N4V blue. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go into the options. And one of the things that I can set here is the symbols. So there are 5 to choose from. There's the bubble, square, diamond, and then a triangle that can point either up or down. And these are the same symbols that are available in the Packed Bubbles widget. Okay, I'm just going to go with the default bubble. And so now I'm going to focus on the selection parameters. And since we can drill down, I'm going to relocate the uh, drill back up button to the bottom right. Okay, next I'm going to format the legend. Okay, so I'm going to hide the size legend. So we're actually showing 3 measures here. I've got sales revenue on one axis and margin on the other, and the size of the bubble is quantity. So you can pack a lot of information into a single chart. Okay, so since I am dealing with revenue for some of the measures, I'm going to prefix with a $sign. And just to round off to whole dollars, I'm going to set the precision to 0. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for margin, my measure Y. And then lastly, I'm going to add a line to this chart, and so I can show my users where the average value is, and I can even use a placeholder variable of %v%. You can see the exact value. So I'm going to use N4V orange, just so that'll pop out a little bit. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to go to measure Z, which is my quantity. So it is not a currency, so I'm not going to put in a prefix there, but you can't have fractions of quantities. So I'm going to round that off to 0. Okay, and then the last thing I want to do here is I want to assign a custom color palette so it'll match my organization's branding colors. All right, that's a great looking widget. So now we're ready to test. So I'm going to go to the main Web Intelligence menu and choose Custom Element Interactions. So first thing I want to look at is my tooltip and make sure it's displaying all 3 of my measures the way that I want to. Okay, next thing I want to try out is my drill path. So that's looking good. Okay, and remember we moved the drill up button to the bottom right hand corner. Okay, the bubble chart is one of over 60 widgets included in N4V for WebI. These beautiful interactive widgets deliver features that are simply unattainable with Web Intelligence alone. We encourage you to visit our homepage at needforviz.com, where you can access a fully interactive demonstration of the complete offering. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your coworkers, key stakeholders, and executive sponsors. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. You can also follow Need for Viz on LinkedIn and X.